Creating Reels on Instagram is a fun way to share short, engaging videos. Here's a concise guide. Access Reels. Open the Instagram app and swipe right from your feed to access the Reels tab. Record the reel. Tap the camera icon in the top right to start recording. Use the various creative tools like music, effects, timer, and align to enhance your video. Set length. You can record reels up to 60 seconds in length. A progress bar at the top of the screen shows the recording time. Start recording. Tap and hold the record button to start recording. Release it to stop. You can record in segments. Add audio. You can add music or original audio by tapping the music note icon and selecting a track or using your own audio. Use effects and timer. Explore various effects by tapping the smiley face icon. Set a timer to record hands-free clips. Edit and trim. After recording, you can trim and edit clips as needed. Add text and stickers. Enhance your reel by adding text, stickers, and drawings. Set cover. Choose a cover image for your reel, which will be visible on your profile grid. Add captions and hashtags in the caption field. Share. Once your reel is ready, click the share button to post it on your profile. You can also choose to share it to the Explore page. Engage with viewers. Interact with comments and messages from viewers and use hashtags to increase discoverability. Explore trends. Discover popular reel trends and challenges to participate in, increasing your content's reach.